Hi, so right now I'm going to show you how to install the cylinder head for the BMW N20 2.0 turbo engines, and I got two of the same blocks here. We rebuilt these lower end blocks at the same time, and we're going to be putting both heads on the same time, and I'll show you step by step how to install the cylinder head and yeah, everything that entails with it. Okay, so I got the two head gaskets from Erling, very popular product, good for German cars. Brand new head gasket. Okay, that's one, and then here's the other one. Okay, we're going to put the head gasket on. Make sure you align the dowel pins correctly. There and there. Perfect. Same thing with the other block. Align the dowel pins. Wait a minute. Just make sure it's not upside down like that. There. There. Okay. Alright, this is the head. Gotta make sure it's aligned with the dowel pins. Get aligned with the dowel pins. There we go. It's the second head. You gotta align the dowel pins. Boom, right there. Just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna put the head bolts on, and we have the T55 bolts on the four corners. Three. Go for it.
I think I might need an extension. Are you ready?
Yeah. There you go. All right, so here's a torquing sequence and torque specs. We're gonna start with the first, there's three phases. First phase, 30 newton meters. Second, 90 degrees. And then the third one would be 180 degrees to finish it off. And the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And, but we're gonna do in order from 1 through 6 and then 7 through 10. Okay, this is the first round, 30 newton meters. It's the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8, 9, 10. So that was the first pass, 30 newton meters. The second pass will be 90 degrees. Okay, so the second pass is a T60. Go for it. 90 degrees. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the final pass is going to be 180 degrees for all 10 of them. This is number 180 degrees. It's 120. Holy smokes. Number 2. Three. 4. 5. 6. What is this, 7? Yeah. Ugh, 9. Ugh, 10, baby. Okay, so that's turking down the head, following the correct sequence, 1 through 10. And I've confirmed this over the internet, over Shopkey, over Insta, and it's 3 phases. First is 30 newts, second is 90 degrees, and third and final is 180 degrees. And I know it seems kind of crazy for the T55s to be an additional 180, and I thought about that, and but that's what it is. And I do, recommend, if it's an older block with a lot of miles, putting time certs in the block, or some sort of Healy coil to put fresh threads on there. Otherwise, there's been times where I'm torquing down the head and it's tight, and then it slips and it's loose. That's bad. And fortunately, that didn't happen. And what that means is, when it slips, you've pulled the threads from the block, and you got to fix that thread hole and tap it and put a Healy coil. So we got lucky. I normally like to keep it all original, but again, it is a good idea to do Healy coils or some sort of time cert. So yeah, that concludes this video.